My name is Lily, a dreamer with a relentless fascination for the night sky. Ever since I was little, the stars have been my companions, whispering secrets of the universe in their silent, twinkling language. On my 20th birthday, I decided to embark on a journey, a quest to connect with these celestial wonders in a way I never had before. Armed with a cozy blanket, a notebook, and my old, trusty telescope, I ventured into the heart of the countryside. Far from the blinding city lights, the night sky revealed itself in its full, majestic glory. The stars seemed to dance just for me, each one a fiery ball of ancient light, and I a humble spectator of their eternal performance. I found the perfect spot, a gentle hill with a clear view of the heavens. The grass was soft under my feet, and the air carried the fresh, earthy scent of the wild. As I set up my telescope, my heart fluttered with excitement. Tonight, I wasn't just observing the stars. I was joining them in their nightly parade. Through the lens, the moon was no longer a distant, mysterious object, but a close friend sharing its craters and valleys with me. The constellations unfolded like a map, guiding me through stories and legends written in the stars. It was as if the universe itself was revealing its deepest secrets, and I was its chosen. As the hours slipped by, I lay back on my blanket, the notebook forgotten. The stars seemed to wrap around me, a glittering blanket more comforting than anything I had ever known. In that moment, under the vast cosmic canvas, I realized how small yet infinitely significant each of us is in this grand, unending cosmos. The first light of dawn brought me back to reality. As I packed up my belongings, a sense of profound peace settled in my heart. I knew that this experience would stay with me forever. The stars had spoken and I had listened. In their silent wisdom, they taught me about the beauty of existence, the wonder of the universe, and the unexplored depths of my own soul. Now, whenever I feel lost or alone, I look up at the night sky. The stars, my eternal guides, remind me of that magical night under their watchful eyes. They whisper, "You are part of this vast, beautiful universe, forever and always.